What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video on this channel, man. It's your boy Gabbyproscra. Today I want to teach you how you can easily make a loop for someone like Raja, Daddy Andre, John Blaq, maybe even Liam Voice. So I want to show you how easy it is to really make something that can work for such artists. Not to waste so much time, play the loop that I've made in front of you, then I break it down. After I show you how I created the drums too, let's play it and you hear.
Gabbyproscra, you made this shit? Purchase your track today.
So as you can hear, that's a very good melody for someone like Raja, someone like Daddy Andre can use, John Blaq, or maybe even Liam Voice. So let me show you how I came up with the melody. I went and played this vinyl guitar. This vinyl guitar is a free guitar you can download. Played another guitar to add on that one because I wanted them to sound perfect. This other guitar is coming from Xenology. It's mood plug delay. It sounded like this. Played a nylon guitar amp from the same Xenology. Just copied and laid the same key. Like I always tell in my videos, just sometimes you need to just copy and lay with different sounds, then they will sound perfect like this. I went to Morphine and I selected this shiny tiny EP keyboard. It sounds like this. Picked another Sleepy MC there, as you know I always like using this a lot. It sounds like this. As you can see, I just played in the middle, cutting them. Played the piano. This piano sounded like this. I just copied and laid the same chords. Play the Purple Lullaby, this one from Flex. It sounded like this. So I copied the same top melodies and I played it with piano and it sounded like this. I came back to Morphine and I added the hair on it. Hair analog. It sounded like this. As you can see, I wanted it to act as like a texture in the background. The bass, this is how the bass sounded. I said in this kind of UG beats, play two basses. This is how the bass sounds. second bass sounds like this. The vinyl guitar, this one also a free plugin. It sounds like this, simple. That was a preset called harmonic plug. This one was real groovy, that's why I decided to use it. Then I played this the other side like this. I just copied the same chords of the first bass. I played a trumpet. This is how the trumpet sound. This is also a free plugin, comes with the stock. If you hear it, it sounds like that thing, that value they use for Chameleon song, value. So I played a flute, also coming stock plugin. For the drums, I played something simple. I just played a one rim shot. The first rim shot sounded like this. Just repeating itself. Then the second rim shot, also I just laid the same key, sound like this. I decided to put two kicks because one kick was not sounding so enough, so I decided sometimes it's about how you hear it sounding, it's not about no roll, just do what you feel like it's sounding fine. So the first kick sounded like this. This kick is from stock plugin. You can see minimal kick. If you can search here, you'll find it. And then I added another kick, DH kick, sounded like this. So this one is a bit harder, so together sounds like this. Let's play the full beat and we end the video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. I'll leave a link of the beat in the description where you can go and listen to it. See you in the next video.
Gabbyproscra made this shit.